This technique I want to show you now, it's a great way to reset your whole system, to be more balanced, grounded, energized, more in harmony, to activate all the chakras, to regulate and balance the 3 doshas, to connect you with the energies of the earth and the energies of the heaven. It's good for the endocrine system, the respiratory system, the nervous system. You move almost all your joints. It's very quick, it's simple, and it has so many various benefits. And it's so great because it activates all the congested and stuck energy around this area, all the chi, all the life force, all the prana stuck here in this area, and it releases it and distributes it to your whole system. And that's where you feel so energized after you perform this technique. And then your prana will just flow automatically. Also, it's a great tool before your breathwork, pranayama, meditation or yoga practice. Just to recenter yourself, to calm down the mind and to be in the present moment. And all you have to do is place your feet 1.5 meters apart, interlay your fingers, your palms facing upward. Then inhale, and as you exhale, come toward the ground. Inhale, up to the heaven. Rotate, exhale. Inhale as you come up. Rotate. Exhale. Inhale. This was 3 repetitions, and then you do the other side. As you come up, inhale, and then exhale down to the other side. Inhale up, exhale down. This was 3 rounds on each side. Preferably you do at least 5 to 10, and if you increase you can do even more. It's a great exercise, so please just combine it with your daily practice. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like, subscribe, and I would appreciate a comment below. Thanks for watching. Namaste.